We were young, we didn't know much, just listening to our hearts. We were so in love back then, didn't see the end from the start. Every smile felt like a promise, every tear was just a test. We thought love would last forever, didn't know it could hurt like this. Then voices started whispering other names, another flame. What was clear began to fade away. Nothing ever felt the same. They say lightning never strikes twice. Once it's gone for life. But here we are under the same sky, same two hearts, different time. Love like this don't come around, but lightning struck again somehow. You found comfort in someone else's arms. I pretended I was fine, smiling through the damage while you slowly left my life. Years went by like changing seasons, taught us things we couldn't see. But every road I ever traveled still led back to you and me. We both loved, we both fell, carried scars we couldn't hide. Turns out heartbreak teaches us what pride never tried. They say it fades, it says goodbye. But look at us face to face, older hearts, same fire stays. We broke apart, learned our lessons, found the truth in our confessions. They said love like this don't come around, but lightning struck again somehow. Time to let us grow, to realign. What we lost was not the end, it was life saying try again. No more voices in between, no more almost, no more maybe. If this is our second chance, I'm all in if you're ready. They say lightning never strikes twice, but we're standing in the rain tonight. Same soul, just wiser now. Same love, we just know how. If fate is giving second chances, I won't waste another moment. They say love like this don't come around, but lightning struck for us again. Two young hearts, one old flame, different lives but love remained. If love writes stories twice, ours was worth the price.